Good afternoon, everyone. Take out your maths book, page number 10. Today we will learn thicker and thinner. Thicker means mota and thinner means patla. Take in first figure, take the thinner person. You have to take the thinner person. So this is thinner boy. He is thinner person, so we take here. And in question number 2, take the thicker one. You have to take the thicker one, that means mota. This book is thicker, so you do tick marks here. And in this figure, you have to tick marks on thicker one. This bricks is thicker, so you do tick mark here. And in this figure, which one is thicker? This figure is thicker, so you do tick mark in this here, in this figure. And in next questions, color the object in the correct order of thickness with red and those in incorrect order in thickness with green. We have to color the objects according to the thickness. First, in first figure, let's see what he is saying. My finger is thinner. मेरा उंगली है वो thinner है, पतला है. Then my arm, मेरा आर्म से पतला है, मेरा उंगली है ना. एंड माई लेग इज थिकर, और मेरा लेग है वो थिकर है. देन माई आर्म से थिकर है. ओके, सो द करेक्ट पैटर्न इज दिस वन. फर्स्ट फिंगर, देन आर्म, एंड देन मोस्ट थिकर, दैट मीन्स लेग. सो in correct order you have to put red color. Here you put red color, and in incorrect order you put blue. So here this order is incorrect because thicker is here but thinner is here, so you put blue color here. In this figure, thinner is here, but most thicker is here. That's why you put blue color here. This order is incorrect, and this order is also incorrect. But this order is correct. So you put red color here. Okay. And in last question, take the glasses that has a thickest frame. You have to take the glasses. You have to see the glasses. Which one is thicker? सबसे मोटा कौन सा फ्रेम है? This one. So you put tick marks here. Okay. And in next page, come to next page. In next page, page number 11. Paste the sticker according to size. You have to paste the sticker according to size. Big, bigger, and biggest that means सबसे बड़ा. You have to paste the sticker in back side of the book. You put you take the sticker from your back side of the book and put it here, paste here. Okay. And in this question also shorter then shortest means सबसे छोटा. Shorter means greater than shortest, and short मतलब छोटा. You put all the sticker here, and in this longest, लंबा सबसे लंबा, long and longer one. So you put all the stickers and paste here. Okay. Thank you.